5 proven ways to increase testosterone levels naturally. Testosterone is the main male sex hormone. People assigned female at birth also have small amounts of it. It's a steroid hormone that's mostly produced in testicles and ovaries. The adrenal glands produce small amounts too. During puberty, in people assigned male at birth, testosterone is one of the main drivers of physical changes like increased muscle, a deeper voice, and hair growth. Exercise and lift weights. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to prevent many lifestyle related diseases. Not only that, but it can also boost your testosterone levels. One 2015 study involving men with obesity found that increased physical activity was more beneficial than calorie restriction for increasing testosterone levels. According to one literature review, the effects on testosterone levels can vary based on several factors, including the type of exercise and training intensity. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, has been shown to boost testosterone levels in the short term. High intensity interval training can be very effective as well, although all types of exercise should work to some extent. Eat protein, fat, and carbs. What you eat can affect levels of testosterone as well as other hormones. Additionally, constant dieting or overeating may disrupt your testosterone levels. Eating enough protein can help you maintain healthy testosterone levels and can aid in fat loss, which may be beneficial too. Minimize stress and cortisol levels. Research often highlights the dangers of long term stress, which can elevate levels of the hormone cortisol. Sudden elevations in cortisol can quickly reduce testosterone. These hormones often work in a seesaw like manner. As one goes up, the other comes down. Stress and high cortisol can also increase food intake, weight gain, and the storage of harmful body fat around your organs. In turn, these changes may negatively affect testosterone levels. Get some sun or take a vitamin D supplement. Vitamin D is a micronutrient that plays a key role in many aspects of health. Some research shows that low levels of vitamin D may be linked to lower testosterone levels. Additionally, a 2017 study involving 102 men with a vitamin D deficiency found that taking a vitamin D supplement increased testosterone levels and improved erectile dysfunction. Consider taking supplements. Although the potential benefits of multivitamins are hotly debated, certain supplements may be useful for supporting healthy testosterone levels. In one study, zinc supplementation increased testosterone levels and improved sexual function in postmenopausal women with low blood levels of zinc.